everyone, for today's video, I will be teaching you how you can turn your Facebook into a private account. First step, open the Facebook application on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Once logged in, press the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and then press the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you press settings, you'll see the privacy checkup option, but if you can't see this on your screen, you can go to the search tab and search for privacy checkup. Once you're in privacy checkup, you'll see the option regarding who can see what you share. Just press this and press continue. Here, you can see all the information that people can see on your account, and what you should do here is change all the privacy into only me. By choosing only me as the audience, your Facebook account will be private. So what you have to do is simply change the audience of all the information into only me. This will include future posts, stories, your birthday, email, and so on. So some information may not appear on my screen or on my Facebook account, but may appear on your account. So just make sure to change all audiences and all posts or information into only me. Once you're done with this, press next. And the last step left to do is to block accounts that you want to block. So automatically blocking them will keep all of your posts and information private or hidden from the blocked accounts. And that's how easy it is to turn your Facebook into a private account. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.